This is the 4K dash camera with a second rear camera, SKU 31891. The first camera is designed for the rear and the second is for your windshield. With a simple to install design, it uses a USB-C to get power as well as the included cigarette charger. You get to choose which one you want to use. Accepts up to 128 gigabytes of storage that will record in a loop or stop when the memory stick is full. Playback any incident directly on the 3.5-inch HD display or remove the memory stick to view it on any computer or laptop. Designed for heavy use of the gig economy, this dash camera is an important component for any driver's safety. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!